In high school, I used to go on my lunch break to the bakery next to my school and queue for a while just to get my hands on one of these savory pies. Still warm, freshly baked in the morning, these pies were all one needed to make sure one could sleep peacefully during the remaining classes. So, today on Marius Makes, I'll share with you one of the things I crave quite often, cabbage pie. You will find the full list of ingredients in the description box below. For the filling, you will need a cabbage head. Mine weighs just a little over 1 kilogram. Cut it in quarters, remove the stalks, and slice it like you see in the video. Put the sliced cabbage in a large pot. Add 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, a pinch of black pepper, some salt to taste, and massage the cabbage well. The salt will help soften the cabbage and reduces the cooking time. Also, bear in mind that cabbage needs quite a bit of salt for the final taste, but don't go too crazy at this stage. Add more at the end of the cooking if you need to. Set the cabbage aside and roughly chop 2 medium onions. Add them to the pot. Next, take 2 tomatoes, cut them in half, and remove the green core. Roughly dice them. From my small bunch of dill, I am taking the stalks and chopping them quite finely. I will chop the remaining dill and add it to the filling at the end. Add everything over the cabbage. Add about a teaspoon of dried thyme and about 6-7 tablespoons of olive oil. Give everything a good mix, cover with a lid and cook on medium heat, stirring occasionally for approximately 25 minutes or until the cabbage softens. And this is how it looks like when it's done. The cabbage is soft but still has some bite to it. Let's call it al dente. Set it aside to cool completely at room temperature. While the filling cools, let's make the dough. In a mixing bowl, add 500 grams of bread flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of active dried yeast. Mix the sugar and yeast into the flour. Also, mix into the flour 10 grams of salt. Combine 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 290 grams of lukewarm water and add it to the flour. Knead the dough for a few minutes. About 5 should do it. Add 25 grams of olive oil over the dough and continue kneading until the oil is absorbed into the dough. Cover the bowl with a tea towel and let it rest in a warm place for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the dough from the bowl and shape it into a log. Divide the dough into 8 equal parts. You don't need to be that precise. Shape each piece of dough into a ball. Oil the working surface and place the balls onto it. Cover them with cling film or the mixing bowl and rest them for another 20 minutes. While the dough rests again, take your cooled cabbage filling and add the remaining chopped dill. Mix it through. Now we go back to the dough balls. Generously oil a plate with some olive oil. Take each piece of dough and, with greased hands, press them down to flatten them as you see in the video. Make sure to cover each piece of dough in enough olive oil so they don't stick together. Cover them and guess what? Let them rest for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the dough circles and flip them upside down so you work with the first piece of dough you started the stack with. Grease the dough and the working surface with olive oil and, gently, stretch out the dough as you see in the video. Add more oil to the working surface if you need to, and if it breaks here and there, it doesn't matter, don't worry about it. Sprinkle a little bit more oil over the dough and fold it as you see in the video. Add a generous amount of filling in the middle of the dough and fold the corners as you see me doing in the video. Make sure to enclose the delicious cabbage in the dough completely. Press them down gently. Place each pie onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. I know it's a lot of oil, but brush a little bit more over each pie and bake them in a preheated oven on the lower rack at 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes or until golden brown and cooked all the way through. After taking them out of the oven, let the pies cool for about 20 minutes. You can eat them as they are, let them cool down and take them with you as part of your next picnic, or enjoy them as I did with a big spoon of sour cream. And there you have it, my cabbage pies, full of memories and taste. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, you can find more home cooking videos and recipes on my channel, so go check it out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on cooking!